And there are different types of Michigan State University. Some is for RO, reverse osmosis, or rainwater, okay? That's for more what's called pure water. If you're just using water out of your tap, you're going to have to buy their other formulation. What kind of water do orchids want? Pure water, the purest you can get. RO, rainwater, distilled water, don't ever give them softened water. Just like you would never give another houseplant softened water. Eventually, the fertilizer salts will build up, and your plant will slowly decline and pass away. And none of us want that. So, what are we going to do with the orchids? Basically, in terms of fertilizing them, you're going to water first. You're going to go through, just like we spoke about earlier, you're going to give them a small amount of water. Walk away, give them time to rehydrate, and then you're going to fertilize your orchids. Because at that point, your orchid is hydrated and it's ready to uptake those nutrients. Okay? In terms of when do you water, that's a tricky question, and it kind of gets people a little frazzled. What do I do? When do I water it? My orchid doesn't seem to be thriving. The leaves are shriveling. The leaves are yellowing. Unfortunately, the symptoms of overwatering and underwatering are largely the same. So how does one know? Well, that's the million-dollar question. I'll give you a few tips. If you have an orchid, and you get to know your orchids, you lift them up. Ooh, this feels kind of heavy. This is an older mix. The mix is broken down a bit. The air spaces are not as prevalent, and so this is going to retain water a lot more than a mix such as this, which is nice and fresh, especially since I just potted it, and it feels much lighter. So what I'm going to do is pass these two around, and I just invite you to hold them both simultaneously. You can't ruin it both, so don't worry about it. And just feel the difference in those. So it's going to make a difference when you copy or when you water these two plants. The larger one is going to get watered more frequently.